Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete your WhatsApp account completely. Your account will not be found by anyone because it will not exist. How to do it? To do this, go to the app, then click Settings, then choose the account settings, and here you select the item Delete my account. Click here. Here we specify the number of our phone and click on the button Delete my account. A connection is made. Before our account is deleted, we must specify the reason why we decided to delete our account. After that, click Next. Then confirm again and your account will be completely deleted. This is such a simple and cool way to delete our account on WhatsApp. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.